Hey Kurhan, how to choose a website design?
Hello, today I will be explaining how to design your website so that it serves your client right. Let's take a look at some rules to design your website. First, the basic principle. This is the website we built for one of our client for kindergarten. And as you can see, the website is divided into different sections. No two section contains the same content. Second, designing our section. It is as you can see, it is important to maintain the contrast in order to increase the readability for our users. The spacing between the sections are even. The colors used for highlighting important text is crucial. The theme color used should be consistent, as you can see over here. The images that are used in is such a way that it helps users to connect. The third point is the required content. The content on the website that is placed on the website should be visible clearly. The font weight, color, size, and alignment is very important so that user can understand the message you are trying to convey. This is all from my side. Thank you for watching.